everyone, welcome back to Samurai King. Today, I will tell you the world's most powerful quotes I ever heard. So stay tuned till the end of the video and let the motivation begin. Do your best and trust the process. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you've come. You have 3 choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what the hell happened. When you are winning, keep your mouth shut. You are confined only by the walls you build yourself. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Sometimes you need to burn bridges to stop yourself from crossing them again. Life isn't fair, but it's still good. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. If you are a giver, remember to learn your limits because the takers don't have any. Your words start to lose value when your actions don't match. You cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust your sails to reach your destination. Everything you do doesn't have to be seen or heard. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Never trust a person that has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. If you want to gain respect from others, stop telling them too many things about yourself. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Everything is going to be alright. Maybe not today, but eventually. Falling down is an accident. Staying down is a choice. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. Hope, but never expect. Look forward, but never wait. No one is going to figure out your life. It's your responsibility. Remove the clowns from your life before you become one. People who do not understand your silence will never understand your words. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than bad company. Stress is temporary, but the lessons you learn from it can last a lifetime. If you found this video inspiring, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more motivational content. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know how you're embracing your warrior mindset. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and keep pushing forward. This is Samurai King. See you in the next video.